Hello guys, myself Mohammed Ismail, and today in this video I am going to show you an error which I am facing in transaction code F-90. Okay, so the first line item I created was for vendor. Here you can see posting key 31 and vendor we have 100081, and the second line item I have created with posting key 70 for asset acquisition. Now I am going to post. Okay, so before posting I am going to show you that I have not given any cost center or profit center. You can't see any profit center or cost center in vendor line item, and as well as here in asset line item. If I go to more button, here you can see that there is no option, or you can see that there is nothing like profit center or cost center I have mentioned. So I'm going to simply post it. Okay, and the error comes that account object profit center differs from that in asset master record. So if I double click on view details, here you can see that a pop-up screen with detailed view of the error is showing, and this is our error code, and here it is saying that account object profit center differs from that in asset master record. Alright, so what is the diagnosis? Diagnosis is that account assignment object profit center with its value laptop is not the same as the value entered in the asset master record. So if I am minimize it and let's say open a new screen with A03, we are going to see the master record. So the asset number which we were using was if I go there, line item 2, okay, the asset was 30008. Alright, so if I'm going to write here 30008 and go to master data and then time dependent data, and here you can see that we have profit center laptop and a segment, this one. So the error was pertained to only profit center level. Alright, so we have already assigned profit center in master record, the master record of asset, but there is no option to assign what? To assign our profit center. Alright, so what we are going to do, we are going to simply going to open a new screen with SPRO, and here we are going to set reference image, and here we are going to financial accounting, and here we are going to asset accounting, and here we are going to integration with general ledger accounting, and we are going here again additional account assignment objects, and here you can see option, the first option, activate account assignment objects. If I double click it, you can see that the screen is opened. Alright, so we have to find profit center. So I guess here this one, PRCTR, profit center. Here you can see that there are two checkboxes on profit center. So if I press F1 by clicking on it, account assignment object same in account, in asset master and postings. What does it mean? See this indicator. If you want to prevent the account assignment object being changed when account assignment is made, this ensures that account assignment is only possible to the account assignment object entered in the asset master record. Alright, if I check this box, alright, the checkbox of agreement, what will happen? The system will check that if the profit center assigned in asset master record is same in transaction code, whatever the transaction code is, FF90 or whatever, it will ensure that the profit center in transaction and profit center in asset master record are matched. If they are not matched, they are not the same, the system will give us the error. Alright, so in order to remove the error, we are simply going to uncheck this, and we are simply going to save this settings. Alright, so here is a TR. So since I am working on testing systems, so I'm not going to define a proper TR here. So I am going back again, and if I go to a new screen, my previous screen of F-90, and here I post it again the error is still showing us. The reason is because we are working on the same transaction. So we need to exit from this and open again F-90 and post the transaction again. I have entered the date. Here is my vendor number and I'm taking any amount like 4,000. The text was GL account text. This as I already have mentioned that I'm working on testing system, so I'm just using random values, so don't worry about it. Transaction type will be 100. Amount is going to be 4,000 again. Text is going to be asset text. All right, so we have done till far now, and now here we are going to post the transaction. So here, all right, you can see another error. The error is same, but here we are not having profit center, but we are having segment. All right, as I have told you earlier that we have already entered profit center and segment as well. If I go to time dependent and show you the segment name, it was SG cons. All right, so if I go to SPRO again, this screen, and again going to activate account assignment objects, and here we are now going to see segment. So if you cannot see here, you can go to directly position, or simply you can scroll down. So here is the segment. All right, here you can see it is having check on agreement, so we don't need this. We will remove it and we are going to save it, and we are going to continue. All right, we are going to our previous transaction, going to post it, and here you can see that we are having same error. The reason is because we are using the same transaction. All right, so we are going to exit it. We are going to F-90 again. Document date will be 20, and here I am taking this vendor 1081. Amount I am going same. Text will be GL account text. Posting key will be 70 for debit asset. This is my account, and here transaction type, and here you can take amount, here you can take asset text, and now finally we have reached to post the transaction. So I'm going to post it, and here you can see that document 850071 was posted in company code ANSG. So thank you for watching.